Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Onan 4000 carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your generator, ensuring smooth and efficient operation by providing the precise air-fuel mixture for combustion. A well-maintained carburetor guarantees optimal performance, preventing costly repairs and downtime, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about maintaining and troubleshooting your Onan 4000 carburetor. Number 5. Partman carburetor for Onan Cummins generators. This high-quality carburetor is a perfect replacement for your Onan Cummins generator. It's designed for a seamless fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Onan Cummins models, including A041D736, A042P619, and microquiet 4000 watt generators. Check the part number to ensure compatibility with your specific model. This carburetor is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. It's a straightforward replacement for your old part. Get reliable power with this replacement carburetor. It's built to last and provide consistent performance for your generator. It fits various models, including John Deere Gator HPX 4x4 and RV Onan 4000 generators. It's a versatile solution for your generator needs. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts an impressive compatibility with various part numbers and generator models. If you need a versatile solution for your Onan 4000 generator, this is the one for you. This makes it a great choice for those who aren't sure of their exact model number or need a part that works across multiple machines. What people say. Fits like OEM. Works great. Made in China, but it replaced the OEM carb and the generator fired right up. This is the exact part one needed to replace the carb on my Class C RV Onan 4000 onboard generator. Easy install, works like a charm. Number 4. Onan Cummins Carb Kit. This carburetor kit is built with high-quality materials for lasting durability and reliable performance. It meets or exceeds the original manufacturer's standards. It expertly mixes air and gas for optimal fuel delivery to your engine. This ensures your outdoor power equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. This kit is compatible with several part numbers, including A041D736, for KYFA 26100, for KYFA 26100P, for KYFA 26100K, 1460803, and 1460785. Please check your part number for compatibility. It's designed for Onan Cummins microquiet 4000 watt generators. Make sure it's the right fit for your equipment before installation. We offer a 12-month warranty on this product. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're getting a high-quality, cost-effective solution. What we like. This option is built to last, using top-quality materials that meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer standards. If you prioritize durability and reliability, this is a great investment for your generator. It ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. What people say. I installed this in my generator and it has now run better the last day or two than it never has. Took me about an hour to install, I already had the old one out. The generator started right up and literally has been running for about 40 hours straight now. Once the original carb was removed, it took less than 15 minutes to reinstall the new carb. It started right up after priming and ran with a load just fine. I've also let it run for 20 minutes later on and still no problems. This matched exactly to make Onan 4000 carb. My generator would not stay running. It had not been started in a few years as I purchased camper with a fault starter on the generator and just now got time to fix it. As soon as I installed this carb, the generator fired right up and ran as it should. Number 3. Carbhub Onan Generator Carburetor. This is the Carbhub replacement carburetor, designed for select Onan generators. It's a high-quality, brand-new part, ready to restore your generator's performance. It's a perfect fit for Onan generators using carburetor numbers 1460785 and 1460803. This ensures a seamless installation and optimal performance. This carburetor also works with Onan Cummins A041D736 and microquiet 4000 watt 4kYFA 26100 generators. It's a versatile solution for various generator models. It replaces several part numbers, including 1460759, 1460785, and 1460803, making it easy to find the right replacement for your generator. This saves you time and effort. The carburetor comes with all the necessary gaskets, replacing parts 1460803 and 1460785. This ensures a complete and leak-free installation. This is a brand new, high-quality aftermarket part from Carbhub. It's built to exacting standards to provide reliable performance. What we like. It's designed for easy installation, and it comes with everything you need. If you value convenience in a hassle-free replacement process, this is the perfect choice. You'll save time and money with this complete kit. What people say. This came with a couple fuel shutoff valves, which was really handy because I wanted to install anyway. It was easy to install and the unit fired right up with no surging, a steady idle, and proper operation at full generator load. The generator now runs as smooth as the day I purchased it. Number 2. Onan Cummins Generator Carburetor. This carburetor is specifically designed for Onan Cummins generators. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It seamlessly integrates with your Onan Cummins generator, offering a hassle-free installation process. Enjoy improved fuel efficiency and enhanced engine performance. This carburetor is engineered for superior performance, providing consistent power output and reliable operation for your generator. It's built to last. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its precise design and included mounting gaskets. You'll be up and running in no time. The kit includes everything you need for a complete replacement: the carburetor, mounting gaskets, and even a carbon dirt jet cleaner tool. It's all here for a smooth installation. It's the perfect replacement for your worn-out carburetor, restoring your generator to peak efficiency. Get back to reliable power. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple gaskets and other essential components for a smooth installation. If you're looking for a complete solution that simplifies the repair process, this is it. It ensures a proper seal and optimal performance. What people say. Voila, it ran perfect with load or without it. Exact fit for my Onan 4000 generator. 2 or 3 similar out there, but this was exact and included gaskets and filter. First time changing an Onan carburetor took 1 hour, 15 minutes, and it started right up and runs like new. Number 1. Onan Cummins Carburetor. This high-quality carburetor is perfect for your Onan Cummins generator. It's brand new and ready to provide peak performance. It seamlessly integrates with various Onan Cummins models, including the microquiet 4000 watt series and many KY series generators, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. This carburetor replaces a wide range of part numbers, making it a convenient solution for various generator models. Check the description for the full list. It comes with everything you need for installation: a cleaning brush, fuel shutoff valve, filters, lines, gaskets, and clamps. Everything is included for a smooth installation. Backed by a decade of manufacturing expertise and rigorous quality control, it's built to last. Contact us through Amazon if you have any questions or issues. Upgrade your generator with this reliable and easy-to-install carburetor. Order now and experience the difference. What we like. It's a high-quality carburetor that comes with a complete set of accessories and excellent customer support. If you value quality, convenience, and peace of mind, this is an excellent choice. The added tools and support make installation and maintenance a breeze. What people say. Worked for my Onan micro-quiet generator on my 2001 Chateau Sport RV. Put this on our Class A 2015 Fleetwood Storm Onan generator. Once hubby put it on, started right up. The carburetor worked perfect on my Onan and generator. The only thing that was wrong was the choke and throttle holes are too small. You have to drill them out a bit. Other than that, excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.